A logistics company with 40 electric delivery vans found their depot was tripping circuit breakers every morning, not because of too many cars, but because all vehicles started charging at once. Smart charging profiles solved that in seconds. OCPP smart charging profiles let operators control how much power each charger uses. They can slow down or pause charging during peak hours. And they can do it remotely, without any physical work. This isn't just about avoiding blackouts. It's about cutting electricity bills. One fleet saw a 20% drop in monthly energy costs by shifting charging to off-peak times. These profiles also help fleets stay within their power contracts. Even small depots with limited capacity can manage hundreds of vehicles efficiently. Fleet managers can set rules that prioritize urgent vehicles or align with shift changes. Charging becomes a strategic tool, not just a technical necessity. The future is even smarter. AI-driven profiles will adjust automatically based on weather, traffic, and energy prices. This is how fleets stay ahead of the curve. If you're managing an electric fleet, start by testing smart charging profiles. Set one rule, monitor the results, and scale from there. Your power bill will thank you.